Discovering nature's harmony. Cicada and friends teach Pony the melodies of the forest. Welcome back everyone! Today I'm excited to unveil another character from our upcoming book. Our amazing character's name is Cicada. Cicada is a gentle and musical soul bringing harmony to the forest with his enchanting melodies. To start, I'll demonstrate how I created Cicada, and then I'll provide a brief overview of our new character. Please stay tuned for the entire video. Would you like to know more about our new character? Let's go! In the depths of a shadowy forest, where ancient trees whispered secrets to the wind, Cicada played enchanting melodies in the orchestra of nature. Every night, he and his friend Garrulus, under the guidance of Symphonica, performed the beautiful music of the natural world. They told Pony that the unknown sounds in the nature were melodies of life and beauty. This understanding dispelled the pony's fears and led him to a deeper appreciation of nature's harmony. Cicada has a question for you. Please leave your comments below. Is there a deep real fear from your childhood that you still carry within your body? What is it? If you like my videos, please subscribe, share, and give them a thumbs up. Your support helps me create more content for you. To learn about our other characters, be sure to check out our earlier videos.